Hey, what's up guys? My name's Ollie Stone. I'm a mechanic for Justin Barsha here.
Hey guys, I'm Justin Shanty.
Today I'm here with Cameron Camera.
Of Chain Slab.
Hey, what's up guys? My name's Ollie Stone. I'm a mechanic for Justin Barsha here at the Red Bull Twirly Designs Gas Factory Racing Team. And today I'm going to show you how to install a Renthal Twinring sprocket.
First, Ollie will start by laying out all the possible tools he'll need to perform this sprocket swap. Start off by removing your old sprocket. Next step, get your twin ring sprocket out of the package and fit it to the hub. With your bolts laid on the bench, make sure they're clean and ready for Loctite to be applied. Renthal highly recommends using red Loctite every time you install a Renthal sprocket. Next, begin threading the nuts onto the bolts using your hand. Using your tools, begin to tighten each bolt, working your way around the hub until all bolts have been tightened.